Hey guys, today is October the 7th of 2020, and I wanted to go over the pound dollar, doing an update midweek and see where we at and see how the signals are panning out. So let's get right into it. All right, as we can see on my last video I did, I believe it was yesterday, so I couldn't post it Sunday. I normally try to do it over in the beginning of the week. We have two sell signals or possible turning points, depending where the pound dollar is. And one was yesterday, the 6th. I am short 128.98, right? That low of this candle right here. The Gann swing indicator on the daily, set for one parameter, is short now. The 4 hours, couple of signals have been telling me, to go short. So I went and put a sell order at that. Didn't sell yesterday. I was waiting for a retrace, and the pound popped up, and I got in. So next turning point is going to be the 9th. So two things could happen. This could be a head fake, and we go up, retest this level again, or maybe even go higher, and maybe turn down. I don't know. But this is a possible turning point also. Or we could push lower and find a bottom, and then Monday retrace or pop back up on Friday or Monday. I don't know what Monday has. I haven't looked yet. So those are the two things. But this one is very important, and then this one is very important. I'm mixed in regards to what could happen. There's a lot of stuff leaning that it could go down from here and then find support on the 9th and then pop, or this is a head fake and they're going to stop me out and retest this high again, or maybe get all these stops that are above here and get them. And then this would be the swing high. But I have to see what next week's looks like in regards to the Fourier signal. So let's, before we even get deep in here, let's look at this chart. So there's a couple of things. This is the seasonal inverted. Let me fix this over here. This is the seasonal inverted and projection line, and it's pointing and it's topping out on the 8th. And it's pointing down all the way to the 16th. This is a 57 dominant cycle, and it's topping out on the 14th. So if it starts selling, it's going against the cycle. And this is just a cycle from this program. A few things. Let's see. The cluster picked a possible swing pivot high on the 6th. So that lined up with Fourier analysis. Stokes on the daily are starting to turn. Oscillators, you see the divergence. The things that I kind of see prices is going up, but the divergence is going down, so it's getting weaker. The MACD is going to take a while, it's for it to turn negative, even though if prices start turning here, it's going to take maybe a day or two before it gets negative. Cycles, let's see, anything else? No, I think that's it. In regards to Elliott, we hit one of the projection wave 4s, and if it's going to go higher on the 9th, and this is a head fake, 30.67 could be your next wave 4 projection target price wise. But so far it looks like it wants to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then work on a 5. So let's see if that pans out. That's all speculation. Next, let's take our Elliott stuff out. As you can see, let me see if I could get closer. There's this trend line right here from these two swing pivot points that I'm watching for a possible target to the downside. And this, obviously, this low right here, the 26.74. This right here is the ellipse. So it's telling me there could be a possible target down here. We hit our target up there. So everything is looking good, for a nice little, sell-off, to the downside. It prices fell off the retracement channel, linear regression channel. Sorry. So you see right here, it's getting weak. And if we go up, I want to give a target for the bulls. If we go up and we're going to push higher, get some stops. This is a possible target at 30.37 all the way to this trend line. What is that on the 9th? Yeah, somewhere around here. 30.83 trend line and target of 38.48 plus the one I gave you with the wave 4. And that's for the bulls. This is a head fake and we're going higher. Now for the bears, which I'm in that camp, we could continue going lower, and this is going to be your target zone, this area right here with the ellipse. Now, if continues going further down, this is another target that you want to watch, which is anywhere between 25.75 and 2600. But that remains to be seen. Anything else? Let's see. Nope. We got to watch an eye with this low right here with this angle. Other than that, that's it. Fibs. We hit the 38.2% Fibo. We're at the 25, fighting that. And this is the low, 26.74. Let's see. I mean, if it really gets a Momo, this is, doing the retracement extension. These are numbers you want to watch, 24.94 and 21.76. But that remains to be seen. That's a while from now. Let's get into the Fourier, and you can see that this is it. Cycles, they're all pointing down except this green one. That hasn't changed. The composite cycle pointing down. And what else? Seasonality, nothing's really changed. Everything is pointing down except one of the fast annual cycles. So I feel, comfortable. And if it's a head fake for me and I get stopped out, I didn't get big with a big position, so that's it on that. So keep your eye out on this today. Hopefully it continues pushing lower. But if there's a head fake, Friday could be it. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you subscribe, hit the like button to help the algorithms, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the pound dollar.